Okay, let's come over and look at the European indices next this morning. And the UK FTSE has now made another high over and above Friday's high. Still ideally needs to push up to 75.17 at a minimum to hit this 2.0 extension and preferably higher into the target box. This looks like a 1, 2, 3. We're getting a small 4 and we get another pop up to me. And that gives us a full 5-wave move. That's actually, for once in the FTSE, pretty clean off the low at 72.20 from the other week. If that's the case, what I'm then looking for, zooming out, is this one, a pullback in the 2, 3, 4, 5 for the A wave of the 3 in the diagonal. So if we see another pop up in the FTSE followed by a retrace that hits and holds a fib, then that would give you a swing long entry for a move up to 7,900 or higher to complete this A wave in the FTSE before we then get a B, C up to around the 83.10 area in the FTSE for the wave 3. German DAX held where it needed to yesterday for the 4. It didn't quite get down to that 12,310, and we haven't in the DAX taken out the high here. The peak we saw came just shy of the 764 retrace. So it's possible that all of this was an A wave in the DAX, then a B, and we're still going to get the C down. Not really what I want to see here. If it was at 1 degree higher, then maybe, but this is taking a little bit too long if we start to see that for a 4 at sub-micro degree. So I would like to see this continue up, take out 12,459 and head up to 12,592 or higher next in the German DAX.